jump into the different types of sales funnels that there are that you can build. There really are, 4 key funnels that you can create, but there are many different types of funnels that can produce these results. So the 4 key ones that we're really going to talk about are lead funnels. So these are about generating leads, somebody you might want to follow up with email, and move them along some sort of funnel. There's buyer funnels. This is more about, getting people to actually pay right away, where you want them to sell. You're selling a product and you want to get transactions right away. Event funnels. This is about getting people to register for, say, webinars. And then there's a whole bunch of other funnels, like membership funnels, where you can build courses, and a lot of other different ones. So we'll jump into lead funnel right off the bat here. So this is a lead magnet funnel. This is a very basic sales funnel where you have a lead magnet page where you have an attention-getting headline, something that creates huge curiosity to get their email, where you then move them on to a thank you page. And this is where you put a video, explaining what it is that, you're trying to sell or trying to promote or trying to share. So these are lead magnet funnels. They're really good. They're also called bridge page funnels, and we'll get into that one next. They're very similar. But again, this is really about getting a lead, having a video, and then maybe some sort of follow-up funnel like email or a telephone call or some other type of follow-up. A bridge page funnel, very similar to a lead magnet. This is where you have a squeeze page, again, kind of a main page where you have a curiosity-based headline and an email capture. That then takes the lead over to a bridge page. And the concept here is, again, a video that's really pre-framing the next funnel, where you want to take the person to. So these are used in affiliate marketing a lot, and they're also used in network marketing. A lot of times you use this type of funnel to put in front of another funnel like your network marketing business or the affiliate product. This way, these are you get a chance to capture an email, and then you can have follow-up funnels via email or other ways of communicating and really building your list, which is key to any business, is creating that email list asset. A homepage funnel. A lot of people have a typical homepage, a brochureware homepage, and really in ClickFunnels you can build these homepage funnels where you have a very typical website with a hero section and a logo and a navigation, where then you're talking about your services. And again, you're really always trying to get them to click that attention-getting headline where they're going to give you an email and move you along into a thank you page where, again, you thank them for the lead or you move them on to a next funnel. Again, very similar to the previous 2 funnels. Now, a sales letter funnel. This is, talking about those ordering funnels where people actually are going to buy something. So here, we have a sales letter page, with a lot of great copy following, the hook, story, offer framework, an add to cart, and then a whole shopping cart functionality with order bumps and upgrades and downgrades. And as you can see here, the OTO page, which is a one-time offer page, you can have that as the next step in the funnel. And then if they don't accept that, you have a downsell page. And then again, move them on to the offer wall page where they can see, what they've got after their purchase, and then still offering them more value and more products. So a really excellent sales funnel, for selling all kinds of products and services. The webinar funnel, really the holy grail of all funnels, I guess, for selling online. This particular funnel is a little bit more complex, but its goal is to help people register for an event, typically webinars, and it helps you manage, all the follow-up flow in here as well. So you can see, reconfirming seats, making sure that they're registering and getting the calendar set up and things like that, and then purchasing even if you want to that webinar. So it's a great funnel, again, used for selling online. It's used with the webinar funnel script or the presentation script that helps you kind of fill in, what that webinar should be about if you're really trying to get people to purchase your offer. A survey funnel. This is a great funnel. We use this on a What Biz quiz funnel. And so again, quizzes are really great, or surveys, as a lead capture, because you can answer a question by asking a bunch of questions. So again, you use an attention-getting question. For example, one of the survey funnels I use is what business is right for you, and then it goes through several multiple choice questions to help answer that, and then again move them on to other funnels. Two-step Tripwire Funnel. Again, this is used to sell books a lot of times. So a free book plus shipping offer uses a Tripwire Funnel, where you can see people are entering a little bit of their information before they buy a product, and then you get the information, more additional information after them, and move them along into a one-time offer, and then also downsell page as well. So again, similar to the sales funnel, but definitely an ordering type funnel. The membership funnel is really how you can make courses. This is really about selling a course where you're teaching something. This course, for example, that you're in right now is a membership funnel. It allows you to sell it with a video sales page, an offer wall page, and then the whole membership access and the membership area where you can put all of your content and your entire course. This is a very powerful funnel. It's really interesting how it works and how simple it is to make an online course. So those are the types of funnels that you can find in ClickFunnels, and we'll move on to the next lesson really soon.